Hello friends, welcome in Red Shikshan Sanstha's ROSE project, that is Red Online School Education. This is presented by Sontake Jedi from Chhatrapati Shivaji College, Satara. Today I will give you information about indirect speech. In that, interrogative sentences. In my previous video, I gave you information about WH questions with helpings verb of to be, to have, and modal auxiliaries. In this video, I am going to give you information about WH questions with helping verbs of to do, that is do, does, did. Rules, that is how to change WH questions with helpings verb of to do into indirect. For changing, rules are like reporting verb said or said to changes into asked. Conjunction, the same WH word of the given sentence is taken. Next rule is helping verbs of to do, that is do, does, did, go away. But while going, they give their tense to the main verb. This way. Examples. He said, "Why do you call me Ajit?" Now see, he remains same. Said reporting verb changes into asked because question is always asked. Question is not told into inverted commas. Question is not told. Question is asked. That's why reporting verb said changes into asked. Now this sentence refers to Ajit, so that referred person should be taken out of inverted comma. I told you about these things in my previous video also. See once again, he remains same. Said changes into asked. Ajit, referred person, so taken out of inverted comma. He asked Ajit. Now conjunction, same WH word of the given sentence. So here it is why, so it should be taken down. Why? Now see friends, as per the third rule, as it is given here, I'll show you. See here, helpings verb of to do go away means we should remove them. We should remove them. Do, does, did, whatever it is. But they give their tense in the sense do, does represent present tense and did represents past tense. So as per their tenses, that main verb also is changed. For example, see here, do as it represents present tense but it goes away, and why we taken do goes away. Now what remains there? You call, that is subject plus verb. So no need of changing as we did in earlier sentences. V plus S should be turned into S plus V. But as when you remove do, so already there S plus V, that is you subject call verb, S plus V remains here. So just we have to turn into indirect rules. For example, you stands for Ajit, that's why it is subject, so you changes into he, she, him, her. Out of that he, she stands for subject, so you changes into he, and call present tense. Now See friends, do also present tense, call also present tense. So we have to change present, simple present into simple past. That's why called. Me changes into him, her. Out of him, her, we have to take him. So final answer, he asked Ajit why he called him. This way. Next sentence. Second one. She says to her mother, where did you keep my bag? She, as it is, says to. Now care should be taken. Our reporting verb is from simple present tense, and in my first video also only I told you about if reporting verb is from simple present tense, tense should not be changed from inverted comma. So says to is changed into asks, means she asks her mother, conjunction where. Now did is past tense, so we have to keep the same tense, but again as per the rule, helping verb of to do go away means did should go away, should be removed, but we give the tense to the main verb. In the sense, did represents past tense, so we have to give that past tense to keep, which will be turned into kept, as kept is the simple past form of the main verb keep. This way changes should be done. So see, once again, she as it is says to changes into asks her mother, conjunction where. Now did goes away, you keep, you stands for mother, that's why he, as I told you, he she, out of he she you have to take she because it stands for mother. Keep you have to turn into kept because did is past tense, it went away, but while going it gave tense. Now did is past tense as it entered in keep, which is turned into kept. She kept, my changes into his, her. Now this my stands for she, that's why we have to change into her. Bag. Third sentence. Teacher said, children, what did you study yesterday? Now see, teacher or sir, suppose teacher is not turned into sir, but it remained here. So teacher said, children, so teacher asked, children should be taken down. We have to take conjunction what, same WH word in the sense what. Teacher or sir asked children, conjunction what. Now did goes away, helping verb of to do go away. In the with that rule, did should be removed, did should be removed. What taken down, you stands for children. Here you stands for children, which is plural, and change of you plural are they and they. Being subject, it should be, we should take they. They. Now did is past tense, and past tense is turned into past perfect. That's why had studied. All of you know the past perfect structure, which is subject plus had plus main verb third. So they had studied. Yesterday changes into the previous day. Friends, in this way changes should be done. Next, see the rule which is there given in previous slide. I show you again. See here, rule third, helping verbs of to do, that is do, does, did, go away, but while going they give their tense to the main verb. continued with this rule. Now I read fourth one. But, see friends, fourth one. But negative helpings verb of to do, that is don't, doesn't, didn't, don't go away. See friends, positive helping verbs of to do go away, but negative helping verb of to do don't go away. Then what should we do? Then we have to change interrogative sentence, that is V plus S, should be changed into assertive, that is S plus V, and then only indirect is done. So this care you have to take. Example C. He said, Mummy, why don't you take rest? Now see friends, he asked his mother. He asked his mother. He taken down, said, changes into asked his. Mummy can be turned into his mother. So these minor changes can be done. Conjunction why. Now don't you, which is V plus S, should be turned into S plus V, that is you don't, and then indirect is done. Now don't you changed into you don't. U stands for mother, that's why out of he, she, mother being feminine gender, so you have to take she. Don't changes into didn't, so why she didn't take. After didn't we have to take main verb, or I should say after helping verb of to do there is always main verb first. So after didn't, main verb first take, and and rest same word taken down. So final answer is he asked his mother. He asked his mother why she didn't take rest. This way. Second sentence. Sophie Sophie said to the waiter, why don't you call a policeman? Question mark. Sophie asked, the said to changes into asked, the waiter, conjunction, same WH word, that is why, should be taken down as it is. So it is taken. Don't you changes into you don't, and you stands for that waiter, that's why he. Again don't changes into didn't, and after didn't call, that is main verb, same taken down. Why? He didn't call a policeman. Full stop. Next is teacher said to students, why didn't you complete your study? See, the teacher, same should be taken down. Said to changes into asked. Students. Now conjunction why taken down. Didn't you changes into you didn't. You stands for students and plural, that's why they. Didn't changes into hadn't plus main verb third, that is complete. Main verb third of complete is completed. So and your stands for students, which is plural, should be turned into their study. So final answer is sir or teacher asked students why they hadn't completed their study. This way changes should be done of the sentences having WH questions of to do. Thank you friends.